Uh, Hello. In this video, we'll see how to change the WhatsApp details in from the Meta account. First, we need to go to MetaSuite and log in, and then we will be selecting our account from here. Uh, Currently, I'll select dev account. Okay. After selecting, we'll be seeing a setting over here, or from here also you'll be like seeing the settings icon. You can click on that. It will take to this page. From here, you can go to your WhatsApp accounts. Okay, you can select your particular WhatsApp account, which is like associated with your number. Uh, After selecting that, you will be seeing a phone number under the phone number section. You have to click on that phone number, and from here you can edit your account details, like WhatsApp account details. You can add a profile pic or a display name and all such things, right? You can add description, address, email, etc., etc. Once it is done, you can save and click on done. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.